G'day legends, what is going on? Welcome back to another beautiful day in sunny North Queensland, and today we are on a mission. Not like a mission from God or anything, this is like much more profound than that. Today we're looking for good photo spots for the diner. Now there are some kick-ass graffiti murals around in the city. There's actually a website thing that shows you can do like a graffiti walk. I just don't know where it starts. So we're on the hunt. We know where the big crocodile getting raped by the turtle is, so that's one on the list, but you've all seen that one before. We don't need any more photos there. Now this is the mall, so I doubt there's going to be any graffiti spots down here. Okay, so far not off to the best start. Haven't found any. That's where the crocodile raping turtle is. There's that bad boy. There's a big weird looking blue wall. Not really into them. And then you end up down the Strand. We know there's no spots down there. Maybe down here. Weird water fountain. That might be cool to park it in. Oh look, there we go, there's one. The big fucking lizard. You can't get in there, but and the road's closed. Man, we are killing it today. I think I know where another one is. Over there. I need to get in there. Yep. That's where I'm going. There's a couple of mammals over there. Middle-aged men in lycra. Pigeon nearly took me out. Oh, well, this is a bit of a tour for you anyway, guys. This is the nightclub strip. I do not frequent this place very often. Maybe I should. That mightn't be a bad spot for a photo down here. Alright, you know the drill, guys. Get all fucking artsy and shit. That'll do. Well, congratulations, that's the first one of the day. The struggle is real. Alright, I'm pretty sure there's one in here. Big mad dog squirrel. How are we gonna do this? They always put shit in the way. Don't they think about motorbikes? How rude. There we go. That's a little bit fucking weird, isn't it? You got your neck tied to a drain. Well, there you go. That's pretty shit. I need to find some better places for photos. What do you reckon? Oh, that's a fucking cool one. I've got to go and get a photo with that. No entry. Should be right, mate. Get up that. Yeah, sure. That's pretty cool. Yeah, why not?
Is that alright?
Yeah. Do you want the bike out of the way?
Maybe. Is
Yep.
that alright?
Yeah.
It's just we're trying to pump it up.
No worries. Ready? No worries. I took 3 just in case you had your eyes closed or anything. Yeah, no worries. I really should have taken a selfie then. That would have been fucking hilarious. Oh yeah, Cactus Jack sign. Get a photo with that. Alright, here we go. Here's another photo spot. Go on, neutral, where are you? There you are. Well, that should keep Instagram happy for a little while. Got a few pickies. Ah, red light. Alright, that'll do. I better get to work and start making some money. But if you like this little short video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe. And as soon as the light goes green, you know what I'm gonna say.